All right, let's start with example number 1. Now, there are a couple of ways you can approach this, and I will walk through the both ways. First, what do you do to get rid of square root? You square, right? So you would square both sides. So you would show your work. I don't mind if you just go straight to 2x equals to 64. That's fine. And just a reminder, squaring is not the same as multiplying. You're not multiplying by 2, you are squaring. So it's 8 times h, that's 64. So 2x is equal to 64. You would do what to get x by itself? You divide by 2, right? So x is equal to 32. Very easy, okay? Probably have done this, you probably did this in algebra 1. Now, here's the thing. Okay, here's the thing. Let me show you another way to think about this. All right. And if you want to do better on your SAT, you want this. Ready? It's easy. Very easy. Now, what we just went through is a very procedural process. Okay, you go through the steps, you did the steps correctly, you got your answer. Now, what I'm about to show you is a thought-driven, okay, process. Think about this. If square root of something is equal to 8, what must this something be? If square root of something is equal to 8, this something must be equal to 64. So therefore, 2x is equal to 64. Okay? So instead of thinking about squaring both sides, you ask the question like, oh yeah, square root of something is 8, so that something must be 64. Instead of thinking about dividing both sides by 2, you start thinking about, hey, 2 times what is equal to 64? 2 times 32. It's equal to 64. Then you have the answer. 2 times 32 is 64. So you get your answer. Now, you get the same answer, probably at about the same speed, but it's there are 2 drastically different approaches. One, you just follow procedures. That for some people could be error prone. But the latter one, the one with the conceptual approach, you start asking questions, you're talking to yourself, that it's more consistent, but that's more high level stuff. Okay, it's not hard, but you just have to practice it. You just have to talk to yourself. Okay, so if you understand example 1, could you go ahead and do the problem right next to it? Go ahead, try it. Okay, what must x be? And by the way, don't forget the word solve. Solve means what? To find the x value to make the statement true. If you don't think about making a statement true, okay, if you don't try to make the statement true, then you are not doing a job. So I think you can do the procedure part, but let me just walk through the thought process one. So square root of x minus 1 is equal to 2. That means x minus 1 must equal to 4. Right? That's how you get 2. And something minus 1 is equal to 4. That means this something must equal to 5. Okay? So easy stuff, easy. Okay? And just make sure that you always put it back and check and see if the if what you found for x, it's really truly the x value. It's a solution.